I was building a website for my local school board elections, and the goal of the site was to help people understand what different candidates believed and what their stances were in various areas. So I was trying to figure out, how do I visualize that data and make it something that someone that isn't really advanced in slicing and dicing information, help them understand how to easily digest it. Their involvement in this project meant that the data that I was presenting on the website was more accurate. And what I mean by that is candidates were making claims, as candidates do, about information in the state that was not completely accurate. By building a Power BI dashboard that made a lot of sense to citizens in the community, I was able to help thousands of people understand if the information that they were being told was actually correct.